Welcome to carburetorsandmore.com, 832-221-4007. We got here a 750 boat carburetor numbered 6212. This says the universal bottom with the Dodge top, Dodge linkage here, and also has the vacuum pull-off, which we call divorce choke, and one vacuum line here, and that's it. And it has a small top, in case I didn't mention it right here. So here we go. Just like we like them to run. Real good right off the bat. Let's check these real quick. Yep, they pop up and down. Both these back down now. Okay. Now let's do the dyno test. Hook the dyno up so we can see if it actually has power when you're in the water. You know, with your girls and all your people in the boat, drinking libations and having a good time safely with your life vest on. Good carburetor, folks. Once again, thanks for watching our videos. This is carburetorsandmore.com of Texas, 832-221-4007.